So today I want to talk about what's going on in the stock market and what effectively that you can do about it. So when it comes to the stock market, it's had a bit of a downturn over the last couple of days, driven by the fact that bond yields have been going up, which is usually an indicator of potential inflation in the future. And this creates undue panic when it comes to risky assets, i.e. equities, and results in its downturn. So what can you do about it? Okay, so there's a couple of things you can do depending on your tolerance for risk. So if you're worried about potential inflation in the future, the ticket that you can buy is something called TBT. TBT effectively tracks rates, and when rates go up, this thing goes up and it effectively pays out. The other thing that you can do is not worry too much about inflation and rely upon the words of our federal chair, Jerome Powell, who's basically gone on record and said that you do not have to worry about inflation because he's going to do whatever it is that in his power to control inflation as well as keep rates low, and that printing money does not have a correlation when it comes to rising interest rates, at least over the last 40 years. And people also say don't necessarily fight the Fed. So what this basically means is you should continue to buy equities, and this would be a buying opportunity. So now, this is not intended to be financial investment advice. Follow, subscribe for daily tips.